increased instead of decreased. And business funding becomes even easier. Now, you've seen all of these advertisements and stuff for business funding. It's easier to get business funding, but don't start and go out there and get business funding until you have proof of concept. I just made a video on that about that credit card stacking. Don't go out there and get funding for your business unless you have proof of concept. That means I'm a little bit off the target here, but I want to make it clear because I'm always consistent, is that you got to have proof of concept. That means that you're not dependent on friends, family, word of mouth to make your business go. You figure out how to run an ad, generate leads, and make sales. Period, point blank. So opportunities are going to be exploding, but again, only for those who qualify. I saw a lot of my friends and family when my wife and I were getting our stuff situated from 1994 to 1999. That's how long it took us to get out of $300,000 in debt. But guess what started to happen right after the 2000s? A big boom. We were right there. We were ready. We had bought our newly built house. It was just, money was easier to get for mortgages. And from that one house that we bought, like our first, like from the ground up dream home, that home sold for double. It was even more than double than what we paid for it. It was the most expensive house sold. And it was just like an investment. But we wouldn't be in that position if we didn't take care of our credit, if we didn't get out of debt and take care of our credit, even though it took from 1994 to 1999, the benefits paid off in 2000. In 2003, when we bought the house, everything took off. So now, here's the harsh reality that most people don't even think about. When lending expands, banks don't lower the standard. They reward the prepared people who have their credit in order. So when the opportunities open up, people with 720 plus scores, they get the best rates. If you have a score like mine, 850, they damn near knocking down the doors to come and give you everything that you want, that you would ask for. So investors with strong profiles get funding. I don't care what anybody tells you. The only way that you're going to get business funding is to first have yourself taken care of first. Everybody that I know that has business, including myself, you got to square yourself away first before anybody is going to give you any meaningful funding. And if you're doing credit cards, that's going to be automatically, unless you get a qualify for a corporate card, it's going to be personal and the business. So don't be fooled. Entrepreneurs, you will have access to credit